Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can easily find duplicate values in our data in Microsoft Excel. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have prepared my data in Excel, and for example, I'm going to find duplicate values in this data. First of all, I'm going to select the data I want to find the duplicate values on. I'm going to select the first column, and after that I'm going to go to the conditional formatting right here. Tap on the conditional formatting, and we have to select the highlight cell rules, and we have to select duplicate values since we want to find duplicate values. Okay, then here you have to select duplicate, and you have to select the format cells that contain duplicate values with. You can click on this option, and I'm just going to choose this one, light red fill with dark red text. Okay, then you can click on OK. And this is the result. As you can see, I have duplicate values in my data. Alright guys, and that's all the way to find duplicate values in our data in Microsoft Excel. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.